Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. In today's topic, we'll see monthly sales report where we will track monthly sales and track the sales performance, and which is dynamic. Just we'll select the month from here from drop down menu. Currently, I have selected January month. If I select February month, this will automatically update, and it also highlights here the top products sold in that particular month. So that is the topic for today. So just before I discuss this topic, let me come to the purpose of this channel. Get Data Solution create dashboard and other data management tool, and the main purpose are here. The main purpose is this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, and to learn new skills. So in today's topic, you may actually find some of these purposes. So subscribe to our channel. Here is the reason why you should subscribe to our channel. You'll get different products that will actually be useful to manage your business, to manage your project, to manage your work, to automate your activity, to increase your productivity, to learn new skills, and above all help to make informed decision. So that's why you are supposed to subscribe to our channel. So let me directly go to today's topic. Here is a monthly sales report tracker. So this function is created using these 5 functions. The first one is the text functions to display the day. Let's see it in cell B4. Here you have used text function to display days, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. The next one is to the next function we have used the drop down function, that is to display the months. So we have actually used drop down where we can easily select the particular month of our interest. Then the third function is date value function to set start of the month. Here date value function, and we have used this formula. And the fourth function is the end of month function. We have also used that end of month function that will actually display the end of the month. And the final one is the if function. The if function is used to just consecutively align the dates. So we have used these 5 functions to create this very dynamic monthly sales report. We'll fill the data here, the sales data, and Saturday and Sunday are highlighted in red because in most cases those are actually off days for sales. But if you are actually if your organization or if you actually as an individual work on Saturday and Sunday, you can actually add your data. So that is how it is created. So you fill your data here. For the time being, I have filled only this section, and it will actually summarize here. For example, it will highlight the high selling product, automatically highlight. In this particular case, laptop. and headphones are the top product for the month of January. So that's how you can fill it. You can fill any number, for example here. So it will actually dynamically change, and the overall total will be the sum function is also used here. So that is how you can use it. You can, let's go to February month, and we can display the February month. And here also if you see, smartphones and tablet are the top products in this particular month. So you can add your dates. If you see, February is 29 days. Can you see it? So it will actually dynamically adjust the date. For that, we have used the end of month. If you want to add an additional month, for example, for the month of March, we can right click on a particular month and then create a copy for that. I have created right now. Let me rename it as a March, and let me adjust. Since this is new, let me delete the previous data for the March, and let me select the month March from the drop down menu. I have selected March. Now as you can see, March 1 started from on Friday, and in this week 31. Currently the total amount is 0. Let me put some numbers starting from March 1st. Let me put 20 smartphone, 5 laptop, 6 tablets, 8 smart TV, 50 headphones. Let's say on Monday we have sold 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 23, 12, 44, 6, and so on. So we have to fill the whole. So headphones is sold 66 and smartphone 47 is actually highlighted automatically. So that is the beauty of this system. It will actually highlight the overall aggregate, and that is actually created using sum function. Sum function. Sum function. That is the sixth function. As you have seen here, we have used sum function for that. So what is the purpose of this this tracking system? That's the main point we have to take. And the function is useful for this purpose. It is easy and convenient to enter data. You simply enter the data as you have seen it. It automatically updates sales for each month. It automatically generates sales achievement, save time and avoid manual calculation. It's simple to view by month or by product type. You can see by month or by product type. Convenient to share to team or sales department or sales manager. support to follow up sales and let the department to know progress as a team. If it is department involved, keep data quality, and you can actually print and use for decision making. For whom this is recommended for factories which are actually involved in selling of different products, for electronics shops, for business organizations, for small and large business owners, for shops, for service giving organizations, and for sales departments. So in terms of data entry, you simply select the months as we have seen it here. You simply go to here and select the months from the given. Then insert sales data. You insert sales data in these sections, and then you will save it, and it generates sales performance automatically. And two top product will be highlighted and dynamically change if we change a month, and highlight Saturday and Sunday with red and Monday with green color. As you can see, Saturday and Sunday in red and Monday on green color will automatically update it. So this is very important and very dynamic sales. To create this, we have used these 19 steps. So I'm not going to discuss this part, and you can actually read by yourself and create similar tracker if you wish to have similar tracker by your own. So for example, let me actually mention some of them. You create a heading, monthly report with format and border and merge, then highlight month formula, and then in cell M&R create data validation, and create a border and department, create a dynamic formula, create a date name, highlight top 3 products, and so on. Some of the steps are mentioned. So you have to go to all these steps to create a similar tracker to create that one. So you can track your monthly sales report. To create drop down, I have used this months to create this one. To do that, you have to go to data visualization and create a month list otherwise, or you can actually use support sheet from this. So as I've already mentioned, and the purpose of Get Data Solution is to modernize data system. So in today's topic, we have seen sales tracker, and this is it saves our times and it automatically generates sales report, and we can actually manage our sales. So that's I think some of the purpose earlier we have said are actually demonstrating on this tracker, and we advise different companies and factories, electronic shops, and business organizations and shops and service giving organizations, as well as sales department, to use this tracker so that it will actually simplify their work and increase their efficiency. So with that, I will conclude today's topic, where we have seen monthly sales report tracker, which is dynamically change as we change our months, and create a summary report for us. So thank you very much, and we advise all the concerned parties to use this template to track their report. Thank you very much, and bye bye.